Hello and welcome to the Clothesline Store. If you live in North Lakes, Queensland, postcode 4509, and are looking for a new clothesline with an installation and removal service option, we have a solution for you. At the Clothesline Store, we have a number of industry-leading brands. These include brand names such as Hills, Daytech, Austral, Brabantia, City Living, Air Dry, just to name a few. Better buying power means you save. Also, having our own national distribution centre means we can process your order and dispatch it in a rapid manner. At the Clothesline Store, we have a full range of styles and types of clotheslines. These include folding frame clotheslines which can fit on a wall or a post, the popular portable clothesline, folding head rotary hoists, fixed head rotary hoists, retractable clotheslines, indoor-outdoor airers, ceiling mounted airers, and accessories which include products such as pegs. The folding frame clothesline suits wall and ground mounted situations. They come in a large range of sizes with different widths, depths, line numbers, line spacings and colours available. They also fold down when not in use, which is a very unique feature for this product. Portable clotheslines are one of the most popular clotheslines on the market today. They're ideal as an extra line or as a single line in your apartment. They do suit indoor and outdoor use. They also fold flat, making it easy to put away when not being used. On the left here we have the Hills Portable 170 clothesline. Retractable clotheslines come in a multitude of line numbers and various extension lengths. They have a minimum and a maximum line length, which does vary based on the brand. There's a lot more information on this at the Clothesline Store. They can be installed in a multitude of configurations, which include wall-to-wall, wall-to-post, and post-to-post. They are very easy to retract when not in use and can be used indoors and outdoors. Folding rotary head clothes hoists are available on a number of sizes, colours and line lengths. The head folds down when not in use, and they also can be removed from the ground when not being used. The fixed rotary clothes hoist, traditionally known as the Hills hoist, is still one of the most popular products on the market today. They come with a large hanging area up to 49 metres and have a very large distance between the lines. These clotheslines are not able to be removed or folded up once installed. Ceiling mounted airers are a unique product. They make use of traditional unused space. They're ideal for indoor and outdoor covered areas. They can also be used for hanging pots on or plants. They're very easy to use because you raise and lower them via a pulley system. So there's free delivery on all products. At the Clothesline Store, there are no hidden fees or unexpected charges for freight because all our products include delivery. If you're not sure what product to buy, the Clothesline Buyer's Guide is jam-packed with information to help you make an informed decision on the clothesline that is right for you. You can secure your copy by clicking any one of the banners on the Clothesline Store. If you require professional clothes hoist or clothesline installation and/or installation and removal, we can assist. The installation and service includes all the fasteners required for a wall-mounted installation and concrete when we do a ground mount installation. The removal service also includes taking away and disposing of your old clothesline. Unfortunately, we don't install ceiling mounted clotheslines. So thank you for visiting the Clothesline Store. I hope we have a solution for you. If you need any further information, please contact one of our team on the number below or download our official Clothesline Buyer's Guide. My name's Jason, thanks for dropping by and bye for now.